Okay, so Hydra Pisces. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a no contact reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 27th of April. Roles can be reversed also, action can be from your side also, not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box or find the links below. For Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love course, links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Pisces, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Queen of Cups, the Temperance, and the Knight of Wands. Hmm. So, this is an on and off, in and out kind of connection. This person might be having other choices or other people or other energies too that they're dealing with, but somehow this person is feeling deeply very connected to you, and they feel like they should just patiently wait for the time when when this feelings that they have for you is going to convert into something just casual. What? So this is a typical energy where I'm not saying this person is player or something. I'm just giving you an example where a player falls in love with somebody seriously and they feel very uncomfortable about that, and they feel like, okay, I should go back to my player tendencies because I don't want to feel anything about for anybody. I don't want to get trapped or something. So might be this person is somebody who feels like they are a non-committal kind of energy and they should be free in their life, and that's why even if they have feeling, they are trying to suppress those feelings and make it feel like this is casual, this is nothing, but they are feeling it deeply. Okay, it's like player falling in love and trying to figure out a way to not to fall in love anymore. In fact, trying to change the feelings into we are just friends, we are just casual connection, we have nothing more than that, nothing serious. Cool. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions? Too many cards. Okay, honey, let's do it. Let's see. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Seven of Pentacles, the Chariot, and the Ace of Swords. This person wants to remain very, very practical, very, very determined with the idea of with each passing day, I will be able to move away and away and away from Pisces. They are waiting for the time. They are just, wow. They just want to wait and watch for the time, and they will be able to completely be very, very practical and logical about the situation, and when they will be able to completely move on from the situation and they never have to look back. This person felt deeply for you at some point of time, and they're trying their best to not to feel for you anymore, and they want to just wait for the time when they will be completely logical and practical about it, and they will be completely in this energy of moving on from the situation, maybe permanently. So when a non-committal person or energy that's not ready to fall in love falls in love, this is what a shit show. This is what a mess can happen. Although they have a very crystal clear energy of, I know I don't want to fall in love with anybody. I know I want to be practical and logical in my life. From inside, there's a lot of mess going on that they don't want to show to anybody, even to universe. So let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 27th of April, honey, Pisces. बोल दो ना जरा दिल में जो है छुपा मैं किसी से कहूंगा नहीं. This person is finally going to express their feelings to you. It's like just to get over the feeling of feeling overwhelmed by the situation. I do see this person having back and forth communication with you, a balanced kind of approach. This person is going to finally do justice with their own heart and soul and express their feelings to you, express their vulnerability to you. I don't know if this person is going to come back around to have commitment or long-term partnership or marriage kind of deal or something like that, no, but I do see a strong sense of this person expressing their feelings to you. A lot of back and forth communication, a lot of message exchange, a lot of energy exchange, and maybe this person is going to travel to see you. So this is somebody who is going to finally face the truth of the situation and talk to you, and it's going to be so sudden and unexpected that it's going to make you feel like, oh my god, I was not expecting this. So if they haven't ever even told you about their feelings or expressed their feelings to you, they will now. And by the word of expressing their feelings to you means they're going to tell you that maybe their words are going to be like, I have never felt like this with anybody. That's why I'm running around. That's why I'm doing all the shitty things. That's why I'm a mess or something. But there's a genuine energy, innocent energy of wanting to connect with you and talk it out with you, and pour their heart in front of you, be vulnerable in front of you, and and make you understand why they are doing what they are doing and what is happening inside of them. That's a really good energy, right? If this is resonating with you, if this is your person's energies, be ready for them to express to you a lot. Very good. Okay, for you, the guidance here is the King of Wands. Stay in your power. Don't give anybody this power to hurt you or to make you happy or to make you sad according to them. If they are sad, you are sad. If they are happy, you are happy. If they are calling you, you are happy. If they're not calling you, you are sad. Giving the power to anybody else is which it directly means that you don't love yourself enough to stand in your own power and make yourself happy. Giving your power to anything else or anyone else means that you are not in this condition of self love, self care, and deeply, deeply connected to yourself. So, with all of this energy, when this person is going to come back around, it's definitely going to give you an ego boost or this energy of, oh God, finally. But if you are going to, again, if you're going to rely on this person to make you happy or to make you sad or something like that, this game is going to be a never ending cycle. Again, I don't see this person coming forward for a marriage or commitment offer. They're coming forward to like tell you what exactly they're going through. There's a hell lot of difference. And if you're going to rely on something else or someone else to make you happy all the time, you're never going to be happy, honey. Never. Even if you're going to die, it doesn't care, it doesn't matter. Cool. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.